Hey guys, welcome back, and today I want to show you guys how to make a triangle shawl. So this is an example of one that I am currently working on. As you can see, it's a triangle, and yeah. So you want to get your yarn. Today we are using hobby yarn. This is acrylic yarn and it's so soft and colorful. So we already got that middle pull going, so we're gonna grab our yarn, make our slip knot, boom, and we're gonna chain 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna slip stitch into that first stitch that we made. Right? And now we have a really small circle in the middle, and we're gonna be making double crochets into that circle. So our first double crochet will be our chain 2, right? And if you're familiar with granny squares, they always have a cluster of 3 double crochets. So that we're going to make 2 more double crochets into that space. Oop. 2 more double crochets into that space, right? And we're going to chain 2 and then make 3 more clusters of double crochets. So altogether we're going to have 6 double crochets with a chain 2 in the middle. So here we are. This is what it looks like. 3 and 3, 2 in the middle. Now we're gonna chain up 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work, and we are going to chain 4, which I already have, and in that space right here we're going to do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So this one we have a chain 4 plus 3 double crochets in that first space. Chain 1. Now we're in the middle, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into that same stitch. Chain 1, and the last stitch we're going to do the same thing we did here. 3 double crochets. Wait, hold on. Three double crochets, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Okay. Next row, we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, put 3 more double crochets into that same stitch. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets. chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into that same space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next space, and then in that last space, into that last space, 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. So remember, each row is going to start off with a chain 4 plus 3 double crochets in that same stitch. And each stitch going around is going to, well, each space going around is going to have 3 double crochets plus a chain 1. In the middle, we'll have 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. So that will be the repeat of your shawl until it becomes as wide as you want it to be.